Hello, good evening, 7 p.m. Dubai time. We're going to do the back testing of the day, euro dollar. We're in the week of the 14th to the 19th of June 2025. 15 minutes, we see a tight range from last week. This is Asia. Let's put the 4 hours so that we realize where we are in the higher time frame. Higher time frame, boom, we went up, took liquidity. This uptrend has been quite strong. The liquidity right now for this main big uptrend is kind of here and here. We took this liquidity and we're seeing this retracement. In a smaller time frame, I mean, of course, we're bullish. We can expect to see some retracements over here during the week. We took this, we broke structure, we're seeing some reaction here. Substructure, we're bullish. Main structure, we're bullish. I believe that this was a fake break of structure, but I mean, it's too early to start trading, guys. It's Asia hours for now. Using the liquidator and my timings indicator, and yeah, let's see how price unfolds. All right, so Asia pumps it. Asia traders have been long, at least the ones that are winning. They're all long, and therefore they have the liquidity and the stop loss over here and over here. We saw this rate with speed and momentum. It's too early to get on a trade, to be honest, but price can likely retrace. Beautiful pause over there. Price continues. Pause again. Price turns around, and the next candle will be the London Open. Right, so London Opens, guys. What do you think the London traders are looking to do? We've seen this, we've seen that either they're gonna be waiting for some pullback to go long, or they're gonna start shorting. Right, so they believe they're gonna be millionaires. Plenty of time has passed. There we go. We're starting to see something interesting. There was a lot of liquidity built over here because all of the London traders that believe they're going to be millionaires by shorting the market are stop loss here. So yeah, we're seeing some stop losses right over there. We took a few, we went down. That's more instigation. I believe that was not the move, but actually just to bring more traders out. Even more. Amazing. This starts to look so solid. Everybody's gonna be mega rich. It's gonna be the end of the world, guys. There's a lot of liquidity over here, gents. Like a lot. I mean a lot. I mean a lot. It's been dire. It's been and now New York opens. Wow. Was this a vacation there or something? There we go. Alright, so end of New York. Londoners who are long, if anything, they have stop loss here. So there's liquidity here, and there's liquidity that was just trapped over here. Liquidity here, and liquidity that was trapped over here. If we see these 1 minute candles, these ones are not as good, but here it actually started to get very interesting. Like this one's okay, yeah, they will be on the big one, but these two are the better candles that we've seen all day. And we see this 50% order block candle. Where are we in the bigger schemes of things? Wow. It's a short I would take. I don't know. I don't think I would take the short, man. I don't think I would take the short. Do I have something to target? Yes. Did I take some clear liquidity? Yes. Why would you not take the short? What makes you think that this short is not worth taking, bruv? We're bouncing out of this order block double structure. That gives some more relevance. That creates some shorters are coming here. There's gonna be liquidity build up over here. So there was liquidity there, which was now been taken, and we're gonna see some reaction, which is gonna get right now, and there's gonna be liquidity built up over here. Monday. see that reaction. Shall I take this trade? So as you see, pause one, pause two. Let me see if I get a nice pullback of the market. I'm such in a bad mood today for some reason. There you go. Fuck off. Liquidity is right there. This is the reaction. This is the zone. This is where we actually want to trade, gents. This is exactly where we actually want to trade. Here I'm more keen to take this trade. I like this setup much more. I really do like this setup much more. Look how quickly we react. Bah! We took this. Bah! Let's see if we get. Alright, I'm out. End of the session though. This is gonna go all the way over here. End of the session, we took the main liquidity that we're concerned about. I am not convinced that that was the only push and that there might be some smaller push coming. But I don't want to miss this trade because I believe in this trade. I really do. One minute is melting. Right, guys. So first week of the first trade of the week. We're about to TP. About to TP. Before I continue, I want to check how the market looks like actually, because we took this liquidity and we have that call over here. But bro, the market looks, tasty for a bit lower, so I might just snap that bitch. Take some partials over there, but actually snap that bitch. This stop loss was a bit pussy. Like if I would have been a negu, I'd have had much better trade. But I'm not gonna pretend I'm a negu when I was a pussy. So yeah, we're building some reaction here to build some liquidity, and then we're gonna tap out on that. But I'm break even by now, gents. And there I took partials. So first trade of the week, fucking flying. We got the Asia low, the low of the day of the previous day. We saw this high taken. I believe we're gonna at least get over here. Yes, we'll see some reaction over here overnight. We'll create a new Asian range, but this trade was a lovely trade. That was on a Monday, and I was hesitant to take this trade. Why? Because it was Monday, liquidity, price, shorters. We saw this was the reaction from here. This is why I didn't take this one. This one, nah. This one, yes. This one, there's no excuse. This one is pull the fucking trigger, you little bitch. You fucking little bitch. So there we go. Price shoot it down, and we see the Asian session. Asia, yep, taking some highs, taking some lows. There we go. So, guys, London's about to open. We're still in the trade. We believe that price can go here. We took some partial profits over here, but that cannot stop us from understanding how we're going to be trading today. So, if we look at Asian range today, and very little traders are trading, well, it's still 6. There's quite some shorters over here, guys, and the stop losses are moderately over here. So the main liquidity short is going to be over here. The main liquidity buy, which is sort of what we have been seeing thus far, which was this break, tal, no sé qué. We broke, we're buying. We see these guys, tal. We have some liquidity here, which is taken, but there's more liquidity right here. Seems to me like we're going to be targeting. Let's see what London does. Liquidity for Asia traders. Clearly gonna be here and over here. So London traders come up and they are gonna go long. London traders, well, some of them are gonna go short because we're in the middle of the range. So we're in the middle of the range. We don't know what London traders are thinking. London traders didn't know either, as you can see. Price continues to push higher. We saw that raid a few minutes before New York Open, giving confidence, but that wasn't a solid break, that was just like a hello, what's up. So there we go. New York giving the impression I'm gonna go long. Opale, what's that? Wasn't that beautiful? Wow, baba, guys, short. I mean, we're already in a short, but I got late on that trade and I already saw the reaction, so I could not pretend I'm gonna go short, but short is the name of the game today. Here we go, another one. Boom. It's just very clean price action. Very, very clean. Very, very clean price action that we see. I can actually get this pattern. I like this pattern. Price reaction. We're gonna take all of these lows, guys. Don't get distracted by the noise. Don't get distracted by the noise. I'll take all of those lows. There you go. Price reacted again, and we go back to that price. I'm gonna take this long. Absolutely not. Is a short from here valid? There is liquidity over here, so I would rather like that rather than taking the short. So longers, very few longers. I mean, only these longers. So yeah, might likely we will get higher because there's very few longers. But no, we're going straight to my TP. Great. No trade today, gents. We're still live on our euro-dollar trade. As you see, what could have got me this trade? Bam, rate of structure, bam. Again, we saw our beautiful candles, these candles, whatever they're named. What a bitch, bro. And price falling like a bitch. We have this trade running. That was the first trade of the week and the only trade thus far, and that was Tuesday done. Let's see how price continues. We reacted and we keep killing, guys. There you go. Right, so guys, we're on a Wednesday now. It's Wednesday. Price has been wiggling a bit. Wiggly, beep, 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 wiggly. Let's go. London session. Reaction. Wiggly a lot. What are liquidity? What are like London? What are London traders thinking? If you see a higher time frame, London traders are thinking, oh wow, look guys, we're in a downtrend. We've closed over here. We've like come over here. We're gonna like rebound from this area and we're gonna go. So what I'm interested in doing is yes, and even if we get a better break of structure here, that would be just fucking amazing. Nice. I'd just like to see some more of these Asian traders unlocked, at least to here, and then on that bitch. Good reaction. There we go. How's price reacting over here? There we go. Because this liquidity, not the highest quality liquidity. The majority of the liquidity is right here. Let's see. We're looking to long, gents. We're looking to long. Opale. Let's take a 5 minute, bro. And yes, let's take a 3 minute maybe. It's a bit risky, not gonna lie. I'm not so sure about this trade. Why? Because there's a lot of liquidity shorters are coming in. Let's see. I'm gonna take it regardless. I already placed the order right. There we go. So I'm break even now, man. I'm break even. There's just no need for me to hold that trade any longer if I'm not break even, and I'm out. I break even. Should I go again? Right, so I'm out of break even over here. I really like this reaction. I really like what we see. I really like that we did that next to New York. I'm break even here. That's still the target. And now we saw that. We took liquidity over here like that. I do not like that. Where's the fucking candle? So this is a nice candle. Let's see, bro. I like this manipulation. Like those candles, I like. Starting to like more. I'm starting to realize that the power of a strong candle is exactly what we need to see. We're still thinking of taking those highs, bruv. Like the idea is the same. But I do like that candle. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm starting to see those candles, and I'm gonna like it more. Perfect reaction. And I'm dead. Alright, -1. Non controllare, bro. Fuck. I'm not feeling good at all. The fact that I'm doing this when I'm not feeling good. It's fucking powerful. So, go to 5 minutes. Take that L. Bunch of liquidity over here, bunch of shorters. There's more liquidity here from all of the New York short. See what New York wants to do with price. So, shall we take this one? I mean, I still believe my idea, gents. Like, don't get me wrong. What the fuck's that candle? Let's see. We're gonna see some high reaction upwards. There you go. New Yorkers, New Yorkers, yes, New Yorkers. Of course the trade's right, bro. The reaction was here. It was not one, not two, but the third. And yes. Nothing to trade there, gents. Wow. We killed, we sniped, we killed, we sniped, we sniped both ways. This will decide where the market wants to go. We just want to be upwards, as predicted. What a day, bruv. Okay, bruv. Come in. The fuck's that, man? Whoa, bro. What the fuck is that? Look at that. Must have been a Fed rate, interest rate or something, bruv. That's not normal. So, first day, Asia session. Guys, shorters have been the week. It's been the week for shorters. What target do shorters have in mind? I mean, I had that one. It's completely wrong. But we'll see some pushback from here to here. Okay, I'll get this on liquidity for later. Right there. Bro, I'm not feeling good. I'm just gonna analyze what happens, man. Okay. Another day in which we cannot trade, no? My energy's just not there today, gents. What the fuck's that? Whoa. Bro, look at this. What a bitch day, man. How are you supposed to trade this? You cannot. You cannot. Liquidity, fuck you, liquidity, pump it. Like moves that happened like late, bruv. Those are the legit, you see? Stand further, like. It's always moves that happens like late. Dude, what the fuck is this, bro? Like you spend entirely like this, you compress. It seems like, you know. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. So